everyone, and welcome back. I'm Ginny from Polly's Paper Studio, and today we're creating with the Winter Bird Christmas Tag Digital Collage Sheet. Okay, let's get started. This is a pattern paper from Authentique, and I'm just layering a second pattern over top, this red plaid with a solid cardstock border. And then I'm going to top this on the basil cardstock, making sure that I've got it on even so that I have a nice border all the way around, and pressing that into place. Now I'm going to add this strip of snowflake patterned satin ribbon, and I've just got that double-sided tape on there to secure it. I'm going to wrap it around the back so that we get a nice clean finished edge. And then I can go ahead and adhere that to the card base. This is a A2 size card and it's top folding. So now this will be the base for the embellishments. I'm going to start with this wreath. Now it's a die cut Christmas wreath, and there are two layered on top of each other, and I've offset it just a little to make it a little bit more full, and it just needs a few little spots of glue to add it to the base, because I'm going to be putting many more layers on top, so it will be tucked in there nice and safely. So this is a die cut paper doily, and I'm just going to anchor the top of the arrangement with that. This is the printed tag from the Winter Bird Christmas Tag printable, and there's a small sentiment that I'm just sticking on the front. I've got a clip there on the side as well, and I left the spacers so that the clip would not create a lump in the finished tag. So this is a metal eyelet, and I'm just going to secure it here on the top, and going to add just a bit of this chunky twine through, just kind of loop it in there and pull it straight. It doesn't need to be a bow because we're going to add a bow later when we finish embellishing the tag. So I'm just going to pull that and cut a few of these loose stray ends, and then I'm just going to secure it here on the doily. So then I'm going to add this small stamp image that I clipped from the Authentique paper collection, and I'm just going to tuck it right underneath the tag. This is the flower arrangement. I've pre-glued it off camera just so that I could get all the flowers in that I wanted and not obscure any of the image on the tag. So I'm just going to add this with a fair amount of hot glue, and that is going to hold this bulky item in place. There's a few strings there I can get rid of. Here's the bow I mentioned earlier, and I'm just going to secure that as well with more of that hot glue, and press it down till it sets up so that I know that it is secured. Next, I'm going to bring in some vintage buttons, and once again I'm going to hot glue them down. 3 at the bottom is a nice number to finish off the bottom of this card, and then I'm going to reach for my stickles and add some red to the berries. Not too much, just want to add a little bit of accent there. So I'm just going to sort of randomly add that to the berries, and then I'm going to go back in and make sure that I've got it evenly distributed. And then once I get these berries filled in, I'm going to switch colors and go with the clear stickles, and I'm going to add this to the leaves. It's just an accent on the edges. I'm not going to fill them in fully. It's just meant to give a little detail. And that's our card all finished. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already, please hit subscribe. Wishing you a happy and productive day. Bye.